Here's what you can do to customize the home screen on a Google Pixel 10a. Unfortunately, the Pixel launcher or the Pixel home screen really lacks customization options. There are very few things compared to other smartphones, of course, and that you can do on this phone. The first thing that I want to show you is the home screen settings. If you press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen, then you can go to the home settings. And in here you can manage a couple of different things, like for example the at a glance, which is this widget that we have over here at the top of the home screen on the main page. Besides that, you can, for example, add app icons to home screen, so whenever you install a new app, it's going to be automatically added to the home screen as well. We have the access to the Google feed in here, so the news page that we have on the home screen, which you can manage. We have some app suggestions in here that you can toggle, some search settings, and the landscape mode, which is pretty decent, so you can rotate the home screen and put it into the landscape mode if you have screen rotation enabled. Now, besides home settings, of course, we can manage apps on the home screen. I think that's pretty obvious, but still, if you want to, you can pretty much place apps anywhere you want on the home screen. You can move them around. You can move them to an empty page in order to create a new page on the home screen. And if you want to remove the page, then of course you should be able to remove or move everything from that page. And there we go. When there is nothing left on that page, then the page is gone. In the case of apps, if you want to add more apps onto the home screen, then you need to go to the app drawer and then you need to pick the app that you want to add. So let's say I'm gonna choose this app over here. Just press and hold your finger and then you can find add to home screen, and then it's going to be added to the available spot on that home screen page. You can also press and hold your finger and start dragging the app around, so then you can place it anywhere you want to as well. Apps can be added into a folder. So in this case, if you want to create a folder, you can drag an app on top of another app that is going to be added into a single folder. There we go. Here's our folder. We can of course keep adding more apps into that folder if you want to, and there we go. Now we have our folder with a name. Of course, we can set up the name as well. You can customize it, but unfortunately in the case of folders, that's the all customization that we have. We cannot make our folders bigger. We cannot make any significant changes. As you can see, we can only change the name of the folder, and that's pretty much all we have. So unfortunately, it's definitely unfortunate, and it is what it is, but yeah. Besides that, if you want to remove a folder, you can either just remove the whole folder, but then every app that you had inside that folder is going to be removed from the home screen as well. So if you want to keep these apps, then you need to drag them outside of that folder. And once there is just one app left in that folder, then the folder is going to be removed. And of course, we also have widgets. If you want to add a widget, you can, for example, press and hold your finger on an empty space again, and then in here we have widgets. We have some featured widgets, so some example widgets that you can use quite easily. And if you manage to find a widget, then you can press and hold your finger and then drop it anywhere on the home screen. You can also go ahead and choose the browse option at the bottom. So then you have the full list of apps that you have on your phone. I mean, those apps that of course have widgets. So if you want to add something, then you should be able to do exactly the same thing. Just press and hold your finger and then drop it anywhere you want to. In some cases, you can resize these widgets by using these circles that we have on sides. And sometimes these resizing options are limited. Sometimes widgets can be really huge. In some cases, you can only change the width or height of the widget. And sometimes you cannot resize a widget at all, and it has like a fixed size that cannot be changed. And I believe there's one more way to add a widget. Yeah, there we go. If you press and hold your finger on an app, then you can find widgets in here. So then you immediately just open the widgets, all the widgets that are created by the app or provided by the app. So if you're looking for widgets specifically from your selected app, then you can search for them quite easily just like that. And I believe we can also find them in the app drawer as well. Yeah, you can do exactly the same thing. So the app doesn't have to be on the home screen to quickly search for widgets from that app. And I believe that is pretty much everything that we can do in the case of the home screen customization. Unfortunately, the At a Glance widget and the Google search bar that we have on the main page of the home screen, they cannot be removed or moved at all. The only way to get rid of them is by using a custom third-party launcher that you can, for example, get from the Play Store. But if you want to stick with the standard default Pixel launcher, you cannot really move these widgets or remove them, as I mentioned. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.